Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Pakistan Montessori International. This is very glad to inform you that Pakistan Montessori International, by supporting AMI, Association of Montessori International, and the theory of Dr. Maria Montessori, is going to announce its program. It is happening from last few years, and now the online classes are also going on. Today, I would like to inform you few basic objects of Montessori, or those are called the areas of learning. Dr. Maria Montessori was an Italian lady from Netherlands. She had her work experience for young one or the toddler one. A small child that has an age of 2 months, 4 months, 6 months, 8 months, 18 months and 2 plus on so on till the time he is just a child or a toddler. This was the age time of 7 years might be. But in every age, in every step of life, a child wants to know and wants to explore, wants to learn some knowledge, information with care and ease. Those care and ease segmentations are actually his areas of explorations, areas of learning. Dr. Maria Montessori had her observation about the developmental time period of child, the sensitive period. A particular age time when a child is just 1 year of age or 2 of, he is having his mother or the adult around. A child learns from adult. A child learns from environment, a child learns from nature, and whatever is happening in nature of some person is a focus of his personality. The talking style, the sitting style, the standing motivationals, the posture and the photography of a personality is in nature. The nature with habits make a good or a proper personality. When we talk about the child learns from environment and the child learns from adults, those adults who are around him have their responsibility to provide better environment of learning, to provide captured, nurtured and secure environment for teaching and guiding. The one, according to Dr. Maria Montessori, a man or a woman who knows about those particular skills, developmental areas and understand and learn those segments of Montessori system given by Dr. Maria Montessori, becomes an educator. The educator then once become the directress. A Montessori directress is a person who is like a mother. She is like a mother and she act and teach and guide a child in a good appropriate manners. She must know the child's personality. She must know the requirement of child. She must know her responsibility and let the child understand his one. In the next time, inshallah, we are going to inform you some more about personalities. Thank you so much.